Today, we're going to learn double consonants of Hangul, which are crucial for getting that natural Korean pronunciation. So first, Hangul has 5 double consonants. You probably recognize these 5 basic consonants we learned in our previous video. As you can see, 2 of each come together and become a twin, which is why we put sang in front of the basic consonant's name. So the 5 double consonants we will study today are 쌍기역, 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, 쌍시옷, and 쌍치읓. Let's jump right in and learn how we can pronounce each double consonant. So first up, we have 쌍기역. As you see, 2 기역 come together to form 쌍기역. Do you remember how you pronounce 기역? Yes, that's right. K, k. Here, I want you to feel that part of your tongue touching the back of the roof of your mouth when you pronounce g. Now, with a bit more tension, the back part of your tongue needs to push slightly harder with more pressure onto the roof to make the g sound. So the g sound is very much different from the g and k sound. Let's try pronounce the basic consonant 기역, k, and then the double consonant 쌍기역, g. So repeat after me. k, g, k, g. Great. Next, we have 쌍디귿. This one is a double tigut sound. Like we did just then, I want you to pronounce the base consonant first. So here that will be t, t. Feel that part of your tongue touching the roof of your mouth when you pronounce t, t. Now, with more force, you create the t sound. T. If you're making a mistake by pronouncing a t sound instead of a t, I want you to put your hand on your Adam's apple and pronounce the and t. The is a voice sound, and you should be able to feel your vocal cord slightly vibrate when you pronounce the. But t, t is a voiceless sound, which you can pronounce without your voice, and your vocal cord does not vibrate. So the 쌍디귿 sound, the, should also be voiced like the. So if you're making a voiceless t sound, you need to work on putting more pressure when you press onto the roof of your mouth with your tongue. The. So let's try and say the, then the. Repeat. The, 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 the. Excellent. Moving on to the next double consonant, we have 쌍치읓. This is a double ch sound. Like I emphasized before, feel the part of your tongue that touches the roof of your mouth when you pronounce j. And now push that sound out. T, 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 t. One more time. T, t. Good. Now, the 쌍시옷 is a double s sound. It's sharper and more intense than s. The sound is very similar to the English S sound produced in words that begin with S. For example, sour, soy, sauce. So the basic consonant s is softer than the double consonant s. Repeat after me. S, 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 s. Last but not least, we have 쌍비읍, the double p sound. Push that p sound out with more force. You need to feel your lips pressing onto each other a little bit harder than you pronounce b. So, but, and repeat, but. One more time, but. Great job. I hope this video helped you understand how you should be pronouncing the double consonants of Hangul. Remember, the more you repeat, the better. You can always feel free to go back to the part that you need more practice on. And of course, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons, and leave any questions or suggestions you have in the comment sections below. In the next video, we'll dive deeper and learn consonant and vowel combinations to form complete words in Korean. So I'll see you in the next lesson.